A witchcraft starter is a great way to guide you upon your chosen path. I hope this witchcraft starter information will help those seeking life within the craft. Let's begin. At times, many young people don't know where to start in the ways of the craft. I know that I found it difficult at first, what with all the different rituals, seasons, etc. Firstly, you must ask yourself why you wish to study the craft and become involved in witchcraft. Ask yourself, is it to impress your friends, to follow in the footsteps of Harry Potter, or a genuine desire to become a follower of the earth-based religion of Wicca? Wicca and other earth-based religions can seem to say, at the very least, overwhelming to the point of frustration for any beginner. So for anyone wanting to start learning the craft, grab the nearest book on witchcraft that you can find, or find someone prepared to show you the way. There is no Bible of witchcraft. There are, however, laws that they abide by. The Wiccan Rede is advice to those practicing witchcraft. It is a poem similar to following the Golden Rule. There are other verses of witchcraft that are followed. One is the threefold law. This law states that the world is of equal balance. It states that every action creates energy, and this energy must eventually return to its source. It says that every step you take comes back to you with 3 times the energy you put into it. Witches believe in karma. If you perform good deeds, good things will happen to you. And if you harm, then bad things will happen to you. Witchcraft is a religion of spiritual qualities, believing in living in harmony with nature. Once you read the laws and beliefs of witchcraft and decide it is a journey you would like to take, beginning witchcraft is quite simple, yet complex. In the past, a person who would like to begin witchcraft would seek out a coven. A group of fellow worshippers would teach them everything they needed to know about the art of witchcraft. Today, that is not only unnecessary, it is also quite tricky. Finding a safe coven can be difficult. It is not like you can look up area witches in the yellow pages. If you are genuinely interested in becoming a witch, you should start by reading books about witchcraft. You need to understand fully what they believe and why. This is very important before starting your quest to becoming involved in witchcraft. For your spiritual path to be pure, you must open up your mind to the beliefs of witchcraft. Reading about the history and becoming extremely knowledgeable about the faith will lead to your success as a beginning witch. Once you have learned about beginner witchcraft and feel confident enough, casting your first circle is usually quite simple. You start by clearing out a space that you consider sacred. This could be a place in a spare room that no one else uses, for example. You then metaphysically clean the space. You may want to use a broom or a sweeping motion to clear the area of unwanted attributes. We carry out this procedure to dispel any negative energy gathered among the dust of the day. A circle is similar to meditation. You must clear your mind of everything and focus solely on casting the process. Once your mind is clear, you begin pointing your casting tool, which can be your finger. It would help if you felt the divine energy take over. Then the casting may begin. Slowly start drawing the circle. It does not have to be perfect, as it will always end up that way no matter what. The key is the complete focus. Once you walk the perimeter of your space, creating the circle, the energy will connect where you began and become whole. The purpose of the circle is to draw energy, thus space to create your magic. As a beginner, learning to cast the circle is the most important thing, and then you can move on to spells.
I wish you well and merry part.